Hello everyone, welcome back to Primo ICT Lectures. In this video we are going to learn how to add images into web pages or websites. Watch this video until the end so that you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. As you see, we are going to use a Notepad HTML editor, and this is the basic syntax of HTML in Notepad. Let's start by saving our HTML file into a folder by clicking File tab, Save as command, and choose a folder from on the desktop. Let's open this folder, HTML Notepad, and then here we are going to type the HTML file name, web page dot HTML, and click Save button. In this case, let's type the title of this web page. Suppose that the title is Images. And now we are going to embed images into the body of this web page. We can use some heading tags. For example, heading 1, but it's not an obligation to use this heading 1. And this is the title of the image. This is a bus. So I have preferred to use the heading 1 because this heading creates a new line in HTML files. Now, in HTML, when we want to add the images, we use img tag. img tag, it's an unpaired tag. It doesn't have a closing tag, and the main attribute used to access image from a specific location is src. And here we are going to use relative file path to access image that we are going to add into this web page. For example, we have saved this image into the folder called HTML Notepad, and there is a bus image. So if we wanted to add this bus image into this HTML file, first of all, we have to check, we have to know where this image is stored. It is called the bus, and the file type is GPG. As this image is stored in the same folder with this web page, we are going to use the relative path. So here we type bus.gpg. And now we save the changes and then open this HTML file with any browser. Right click, open. You see that our image has been inserted into HTML, but the sizes of this image are not controlled. So we can use attributes like width to control the width image sizes. Let's put, for example, 200 pixels and save the changes, and let's reload the page. You see that And now we can also use height attribute to adjust the height of this image. For example, let's use 300 pixels and save the changes and reload the page. So you can control the size of image however you want. Now suppose that we are going to add another new image. So, and let's use heading tags. For example, H2. And type the title of the second image. This is a car. A car. And let's copy, to be quick, let's copy this image. Control plus V to paste. And here we delete this file name because there is another new file name, and let's delete these attributes. So now we are going to add image of a car. Now let's go back to the folder and see if there is the image of a car. In this folder, there is another subfolder called the images, and when we open it, there is image of a car, and the image file type or format is JPG. Now you see that the HTML file is stored in the same folder with another folder containing an image called car. In this case, we use also relative path, but here we start by mentioning the folder name, images /car dot gpg. And now let's save the changes as usual. And now we are going to reload the page like this. And there is the image of a car. There is image of a car. We can reduce the height of the bus. Let's use, for example, 100, and then reload the page. So this is how we can add images into the web page. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel.